First, try to explore what's happening for you by talking with a friend, journaling, or talking to a counselor. Sometimes people are not able to be themselves because they've had past experiences where they weren't accepted. They have low self-esteem, or they're afraid of losing that relationship. Other times, it's actually about how the other person makes us feel, how they're interacting with us, and whether or not they make us feel safe. If you realize you're struggling to be genuine because of the other person, it is likely not a healthy relationship to pursue. If it is because of your internal process, try strategies like mindfulness and breathing to bring yourself back to the present moment and to ground yourself. Mindfulness helps you accept and move past your fears. It can also be helpful to tell the other person explicitly what's happening to you. For example, you could say, "Sometimes I have a hard time relaxing and being myself around you, but I really like you and am interested in being honest and real with you." Sometimes just naming the issue can help you take charge of the process of feeling like yourself.